new United Mileage Plus program, you may enroll online at united.com. Ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, the seatbelt sign is still on. When the captain turns the seatbelt sign off, this will be your indication that it's safe to move about the cabin. Please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times while seated. Do take care should you open the overhead bins, as items do shift during takeoff. We are pleased to provide you with a complimentary copy of our Hemispheres magazine and Sky Mall catalog. Both are located in the seat pocket in front of you. The Sky Mall catalog features a large selection of unique products and gift ideas. We invite you to take it along with you. In a few minutes, we will be offering a beverage service. Our beverage selection includes a variety of products which can be found in the Hemispheres magazine. In the main cabin, cocktails, beer, wine, margaritas are available for purchase, and you have the option of purchasing a la carte items, snack boxes, and fresh food. We accept only credit or debit card, please, for payment.